Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the world of pure American muscle, exploring one of the rarest and most legendary Mustangs ever built, the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. A car born from racing ambitions, engineered for power, sculpted for performance, and worshipped by collectors today. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and the unique character that makes this beast one of the most sought-after Mustangs of all time. Exterior. The first thing you notice when you see the 1969 Boss 429 is the aggressive attitude that defines every inch of its exterior. The front end sits low and wide, with the iconic quad headlights that frame the sharp grille. The hood bulges with a massive functional scoop, instantly hinting at the monster hiding underneath. The car doesn't shout with stripes or flashy graphics, instead, it delivers a clean, muscular stance that looks ready to dominate without saying a word. The flared wheel arches, Magnum 500 wheels, and aerodynamic bodywork give it an unmistakable road presence. Every angle makes you feel like you're looking at a street-legal version of a NASCAR warrior. Interior. Moving to the interior, the cabin carries the spirit of late 60s Mustang heritage but with subtle boss-level refinement. You're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit featuring high-back bucket seats wrapped in vinyl, a classic 3-spoke Mustang steering wheel, and a simple but sporty dashboard layout. The wood grain accents across the dash and door panels add a premium touch, while the floor-mounted shifter gives you a direct connection to the engine's raw power. It's not overloaded with luxury, it's built for the thrill of driving. The interior feels tight, mechanical, and purposeful, exactly what you'd expect from a Mustang created for homologation and high-performance duty. Performance. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Boss 429 earns its legendary status. Under that giant hood sits the heart of the beast, a hand-built, 429 cubic inch, 7.0-liter NASCAR-derived V8 known as the semi-hemi. Producing around 375 horsepower on paper, but widely believed to push well over 500 in reality, this engine was designed for racing domination. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, a beefed-up suspension, front disc brakes, and a lowered stance, the Boss 429 was built to handle serious power. It may not have been the quickest Mustang off the line compared to the Boss 302 or the Mach 1, but on the high-speed stretches, it was a missile. This car wasn't about drag racing, it was about top-end performance, stability, and raw endurance muscle. Driving the Boss 429 is an experience unlike any other. The engine snarls with a deep, thunderous tone that vibrates through the cabin. The steering feels heavy but connected, and every gear shift feels like a mechanical handshake with Ford's racing heritage. It's the kind of car that forces you to respect it, powerful, demanding, and unbelievably rewarding. As we reach the end, one thing is clear, the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 isn't just a car, it's an icon. Built in limited numbers, engineered for NASCAR glory, and blessed with one of the most impressive engines Ford ever produced, it stands among the greatest muscle cars ever made. Whether you admire it for its design, its power, or its rarity, the Boss 429 remains a masterpiece in the world of American performance. A true king of the muscle era. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary 1969 Boss 429, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more classic car content, and let us know in the comments which iconic machine you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.